Welcome again to my tutorial video today on how to create and verify your MEXC global exchange step by step. Just make sure to watch this video to the end and do well to subscribe, like, comment, share. Let me know which country are you watching this video from. The reason why I just like to trade with MEXC is that they are charging you zero fee on your spot trading. Even the features is very tiny fee, so you can see everything is here. So you can see extremely low fee, so they are not charging you much when you are just trading with them. Everything you can see on future is 0.02%, on spot is 0. So everything here is almost zero fee, so it's very low fees compared to other exchange. I'm going to show you guys today how can you create and verify your MEXC account step by step using your laptop. So let's dive into the video right away. So right now, when you click on the first link of this video, all right, you are going to see something like this. All right, to sign up with your email address and everything, you're going to sign up with your email. You see, then you create your email. Let me just try to put the email address, then you sign up using your email. So I may not show you all the emails, so because of this. So once you put your email address in this particular icon, all right, so you need to just click on this particular sign up. So you need to just make sure to put your email here where you see, then you need to just click on this sign. Then when you sign up, you can claim up to 10,000 US dollars. You can see, so this is what they show you. So it's not, you have to complete some tax on the platform. There is some tax you need to do, so you can claim this kind of thing. It's not, that's what they put in on the MEXC. So when you complete the tax and everything, when you sign up, you may get this particular claim of USDT when you sign up. So then make sure you click on this sign up button. All right, click on sign up button. All right, then you're gonna try to click on this. You have to drag this thing to this area. All right, okay, I've already, can you see? So when you do that, you need to just go to your email address and try to put the code and everything, then you are good to go. So let me just do that. So let me just try to go to the email address and let me just try to put the code, then I will. All right, so let me just do that. All right, you have to just click on this get code. Click on this get code. So right now, let me just try to paste the code. I want to paste the code right now. You can see. So right now, I need to just make sure to set the password and everything because it's not showing right now on here. So make sure you set your password, then I will continue with the video. Right, let me just put this password and everything, then I will continue. All right, I've already put the password and I've already put the password and everything. So I'll just click on confirm, then I'll start the verification. Let me just try to complete everything. All right, you need to just verify your account and everything. All right, so let me just try to complete the verification on my phone. So you need to just make sure to click on verify. Then you have to just put all your information and everything. You can see, just make sure to click on web. You can see everything clearly. Just make sure to click everything. You can connect your ID, your everything, then you are good to go. Then you just make sure to verify everything. So that's how it works. So because I've already verified my account, so make sure you click on this verify on web, then you just follow the step they ask you to do. You can select either ID card, driving license, Nigerian drive. So just make sure to select any one they ask you to do, then you are good to go. Let's say I want to select passport, driving license, or anything. I'll just click on this next button. Then you need to just make sure you try to upload all the ID and submit a review. So once you do that, your account will be fully verified. Because I've already I'm just showing you a tutorial on how to do it. So this video I've already shown you guys on how you can create and verify your account. So this is a very simple steps on how you can do it. Just make sure to do what? Try to upload your ID, try to upload the back of the ID, then click on this submit a review around this level, then you are good to go. So this is exactly on how you can create and verify your MEXC accounts less than 5 minutes. Try to like this video, share it to people, let people know how it works. See you guys in my next comment video.